Welcome to Cars with Big Boy Trev Extra. We give you all the latest news and reviews from across the world. Now, it's been an interesting week, and of course, Nissan Kenya have just unveiled the Nissan Magnite, a crossover that is intended to shake the market. Who are the key rivals in this particular segment? Well, you do have the Toyota Urban Cruiser, the Suzuki Brezza, and of course the Hyundai Creta. But the question is, how good is this Magnite? Will it shake up the market? Is it budget friendly? Does it have all the gizmos you can think of? We'll start this particular preview by taking a look at what the name Magnite means. And of course, Magnite is actually derived from Dynamic and Magnificent, which is a Nissan derivative. It's a name that they have coined that will basically build their vehicle through their next philosophy. The next philosophy is basically targeting vehicles and countries that are in the emerging markets. What do I mean emerging markets? We have Brazil, India, Sub-Saharan Africa, and Southeast Asia. Now these markets have the potential. They have young populations and they love vehicles that are affordable, plenty of technology, and of course give you absolute value for money. So when you look at the styling again, it's very sharp. It's something different. It's a step away from what Nissan has been. They've always done, just conservative styling, but this one they've gone all out because the younger generation deserve a vehicle that is stylish enough. So you have slanting headlights with LEDs, signature LEDs from the bumper all the way to the wraparound LED lights up front, and of course the big grille and the new Nissan logo, which is 2D dimensional, though it gives that car that je ne sais quoi we keep on talking about. And of course the design face, if you look at the side profile as well, the wheel arcs and the fenders are all squared off to give it a butch and masculine look. So it looks like a really tough car, and of course, as you know, it's a crossover. It's based on a hatchback philosophy, the CMF platform, which is now on all Renault and Nissan vehicles. Now, when you go to the back as well, very stylish as well, you can see the word Magnite emblazoned on the rear panel. And not only that, you do have a sloping roof line, and of course it is infused with the rear diffuser with a third stop brake light. I mean, this car has plenty of je ne sais quoi, as we keep on talking about on Cars with Big Boy Trev. How's the interior? You step inside and again you are greeted with a lot of bells and whistles. The Nissan have actually put a forward cab design to give this car the ability to have space for the front passengers. Not only that, the fit finish is fantastic. You have a two-tone sort of dashboard that gives you that different colors to keep the cabin airy, and of course just makes this car just feel very, very different from what you probably find with the rivals. Now the dashboard, the main highlight is the 8-inch multi-color display infotainment system that actually supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It allows you to become very flexible while on the go. You're able to pair your phone, and of course you're able to translate everything that's on your phone and mirror it to the screen. So it allows you to use Android Auto and of course Google Maps to find where your journey is, of course to schedule your meetings, and of course in case you need to call someone, you're able to do that at a press of a button. And of course your voice control, again making work easier and making driving taskless effort when you're in the Magnite. And of course, not only that, you do have a secondary screen. It's a fully digital driver display that gives you all the information from the driver. So there's no traditional needle from the old school generation type of instrument binnacle. You just have two needles, so the speedometer and the tachometer. But this one is fully digital, and you're able to literally adjust the different settings. You're able to see what the car is doing at any given time. You can check the speed, the temperature, the oil levels, and of course the advanced warning systems that just make sure that you are safe while in the Magnite. The 3-spoke steering wheel, again fantastic as well. On the left hand side, the satellite buttons that control everything to do with the multimedia system. On the right hand side is cruise control, which actually comes as standard in the Magnite. How cool is that? As you move lower down, you do have dual zone climate control, start stop functionality, and of course for those who are tech savvy, you do have a wireless charging pad where you can charge your Samsung Galaxy Ultra or your iPhone or whatever phone that you have. You're able to charge it quite easily, and also plenty of charging sockets and ports for your devices across the cabin. Now the seats are fantastically comfortable, good lumbar support, and of course you do have the ability for you to enjoy the car for long distance. Now if you move at the back, there's plenty of space. Legroom is fantastic, headroom is good. Remember, I'm 6'1" and I have plenty of space. I mean, I've been in the car before, and I can tell you for a fact that there's plenty of space. You have 3-point seat belts for all the passengers at the back, headrests, and of course seat anchors for your child seat. Remember, any child who's below 12 years, the best place to be in is at the rear seats. Now, as you move to the luggage space, plenty of space as well. It being a crossover, you can imagine there's little space, but you'll be surprised. 400 liters of space, meaning you can carry 4 large suitcases with ease, or if you want to carry your nyanyas, your vitungus, your groceries, very easy. So it makes it very practical for everyday use. Now, as we jump to the steering wheel, the first thing you do notice is the performance. What kind of performance does this car have? We do have a 1-liter engine, so you have 2 derivatives, the Ascenta and the Ascenta S. The Ascenta actually has a 1-liter turbo 3-cylinder petrol producing 74 kilowatts and 140 newton meters of torque that is sent to the front wheels courtesy of a 6-step CVT. Yes, you know I don't like CVTs, but hey, it's actually built for fuel efficiency. Again, be able to return a fuel economy figure of 17 kilometers to the liter, which is amazing right now considering the kind of traffic on Mombasa Road. What do you expect? This is a Nissan, so you do imagine the fact that this particular Magnite has what it takes to give you that fuel efficiency, power and performance. And in terms of road holding and suspension, obviously this particular vehicle has McPherson struts at the front and of course semi-independent suspension to keep the car planted and of course give you good ground clearance as you traverse our beautiful country. In terms of safety, you have both active and passive safety features to ensure that you remain safe while in the Magnite. So from the active front, these are technologies that are given to prevent you from having an accident. So from anti-lock braking system to ESP to traction control to electronic brake force distribution, all these acronyms are actually in use to ensure that you remain safe and avoid an accident. But in case all hell breaks loose, then you can rely on the stability control that comes as standard in the Magnite. Not only that, you do have cross-member and side beam protection to dissipate impact energy away from the passenger seat. Wow, too much to handle, but the question is value for money proposition. So this particular car prices start at 2.7 million shillings and the highest grade 3.1, and of course it comes with a 3-year 100,000 kilometer warranty, whichever comes first. And not only that, Nissan will throw in a 2-year 50,000 kilometer service plan to ensure that you have trouble-free days when you're riding in the Nissan Magnite. So what do you think? Do you reckon this particular vehicle has what it takes to beat the likes of the Hyundai Creta, the Toyota Urban Cruiser or the Suzuki Brezza? Let us know as seen on the social media handles below. We'll get back to you with the feedback. Well, that's it folks. Thank you so much for watching Cars with Big Boy Trev. As always, if you have any questions, comments or queries, do not hesitate to write to us as seen on the social media handles below. But before we leave, let's take a look at the highlights of what happened at the Nissan launch of the Magnite. Stay tuned.
Nissan in Kenya are actually very thrilled to be launching Magnite into the compact SUV market in that segment of the market today. And with this dynamic vehicle, we now have a product offering that we can now cater for the segment and actually cater for all our customers' needs. So again, something to be very excited about as Crown Motors and Nissan in Kenya. Nissan has always been a leader in the Kenyan automotive market and a partner that you can trust. And with the Magnite now being part of our product range, we can offer our customers so much more. It's a compact vehicle offering comfort, advanced features, and with more technology in its class than ever before. And it's really a vehicle that's going to suit either your personal or your business requirements. And again, we're extremely excited to confirm that the new Nissan Magnite will actually be on sale through all our dealerships across Kenya as from today.
This is Big Boy Trev signing out. Drive safe and be safe.